So he brought 2 examples of some shirts that he want. I like the Nike one. Yeah, I like both of them.
Check it out.
Hey. 你累吗？
你累吗？谢谢，谢谢。So excited to see you, man.
Yeah. Excited to see you too.
Excited to see 爱的花子。Montreal.
I got a whole new logo this time around.
这个好像是夜光的，这个是。
这个 logo 换
换一个。
他换一个 logo。
好。
对。
我看 let me see the material, bro. Want that heavy, bro.
This one heavy, right? It's too heavy.
What do you think? It's
too
little,
heavy.
It's too heavy for you to play, right?
Yeah.
Especially
I feel that though.
when you,
heavy, yeah.
especially when you like get sweat and then it's gonna be like more heavy, bro. But this one, like the CBN material, yeah. So it's same thing. So that's why I say I
we
wanna
gotta switch for sure.
Yeah, that's why we gotta talk about.
I think that shit way too heavy.
Yeah.
I like it though, on some simple shit.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
But I don't want my name on it. Only if it's my shit.
Yeah,
people don't want to wear
yeah,
mine.
that's kind of weird. Yeah.
Imagine me wearing a shirt that say Paul George. Like, you know, like come on, bro.
Like Sean.
Yeah, but let's talk about our thing first.
Yeah. How do you like the material of the logo? Do you like this
I
material?
like it, but the logo is different.
I know, but do you like the logo?
Material? Oh, yeah.
You want this one or you want like other material for?
What's another option?
I'm worried about like.
Yeah, if you wash it one time.
Yeah, and then
that's
get.
它这种也是一样的，
It's the same?
看上去只是材质不一样。
It's the
但
same.
这种不会洗掉。
对，都是一样，只要是你专业工厂，它都不会洗掉。
Oh.
I like this one. Is it the same?
Material is not. It's different.
Yeah, this one seemed more stronger.
Yeah. It's more strong.
Yeah.
对我其实这种面料可以啊，不对，这个字。
这种材质。
对 ，for the first one.
What's the MOQ? 多少 MOQ?
我们20-30件也做，只是价格问题。
20-30件是什么价格一件呢？
那我们设计师因为我们要做设计，那你就可能你要看掉我们面料的价格。
We can do that. 65 a piece. 65 for one shirt.
Yeah, for one.
Times how many we doing? 100.
100. Then it's like 6,500. What do you think?
I'm with it.
How much you want to sell it for?
Bro, to be honest, in the beginning, I'm gonna just have to get them shits out, you know, because we gotta give them to the people wearing them, you know. Merch.
And then merch for the merch.
Right, merch.
If anyone interesting, they can go to the table and buy.
So he's gonna have a booth.
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think?
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. We could do that.
Now it's
also 65. See if she can go to 60 per.
Yeah, I'm trying to like get like maybe
55.
Like 55, 45. You know, we can.
45.
It can be cheaper, you know.
Yeah, it can be way cheaper.
It can
Because
be
65 is what, like $8? We can get it for $4, you know?
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Trust me, bro. Hell yeah.
Especially because we're going to be working with her in you know.
We just tell her that we gotta work with her in the future, like a little bit more. But yeah. So maybe give us a discount on the first one because we gotta see how it goes first, right?
Right, and it'll go well. We're not, if we got 80 to sell, we're not, in that first thing, we're not gonna sell 80. You know, we may sell 5 to 10, if that. You know, but at the same time, we'll have more to take to the other cities. You know, if that guy wanna bring his underwear to the other city, he can do that too. So I think if we have like inventory, some more to sell, we'll be fine. That makes sense?
Mm-hmm. You want to do both black and white or just black?
We gotta do two.
The total R is like 100, right? The black
50,
and white.
50.
Yeah, 50. Yeah, 50.
And what size is that? XX or XL?
I don't know.
What size? I don't know the sizing chart. But anyways,
what size you wearing for the CBA shirt? Do you remember?
X. What size is this shirt?
That's like large. Oh shit, that's not large. That's my size, bro.
I know, I need an XX. 2X.
2X, yeah.
But she said, how many days? 10天。
10天？
没有，你数量少了肯定会快啊。
就是
faster.
Faster because not that much.
We can do that.
You wanna like if we make like 100, you wanna like do do a bag outside for the shirt or what? Or just a shirt without any bag?
Like something on the back?
No, bag.
What you mean?
B-A-G.
Bag. Oh,
yeah.
a bag.
Yeah.
She can do bags too. So the shirt gonna look like this. Oh shit, I can't draw, so bear with me. Wolfpack TV. Where my logo here, Wolf. This is the back. This shit ugly. We're gonna make it work. And then GZ go on the back. Right? Or am I wrong?
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Front, back.
我看到了，
这个就是我们画的，但是跟那个是一样的。
哦，跟这个是一样的是吧？
对。
这就行呗。
不是那个名字，这个。
改了。
哦，他加了两个字母，加了个 TV，加了个 TV， 但是前面是一样。Yeah, I said you add the two letters.
你们有做这些图吗？这些清晰的图有吗？
You
I'm
got.
gonna send her the logo again.
Yeah, 他把 logo 发给你，但对。Oh my god.
底下这个是不要的，是不是？这个不要的。
对，我不要，对我不要，对，不要这个。Logo.
So you fly from South
Logo
Carolina
可以
to
吗
here?
可以。
I flew from South Carolina to
How long to fly?
反过来，
like
对，这边。
朝那边。
23 hours.
That's horrible. That's tough.
这个呢？
他，这个我。
哦，这个要发给我。
That's you like that one?
这个字
我没有那个。Do you have the small thing for the GZ code? Because I don't know.
You don't have it? Why are you so scared to speak English? Your English is good. Why are you?
这个 logo 的位置行不行？看一下 logo 位置。
就是如果说我后面做的那个有颜色放在这里，是不是这个意思？
你看一下 logo 位置行不行？
可以。
I like that, bro. We can do that.
For sure.
We can do that. But when she make it, I want it to be just like this shirt, same material.
Yeah.
I want the. I
already tell her that.
Quality to be.
Yeah, because you know
understand.
the Nike quality is always looking good.
他知道，他。
找你嘛。
But she gotta know if we all happy, the three of us happy, we can get something good.
对
We gonna keep.
对，
doing
因为这个我们之后肯定还会再做，就是卫衣、短袖，就是只是说这个前期我们只是为了这个活动去做的这一款，所以就是说我们就是等于说是一个就是说这个活动的周边，所以说我们就不太需要去做，比如说300件、400件、500件，所以就说前期这就是为什么我们只做这100件，而且这100件我们只是想做那种限量嘛，以限量的方式去卖这个周边，所以我们就没有打算说去做个200-300件。
So maybe we have to come back on this weekend, bro.
Yeah, you gotta
Instead of next week. This.
keep this.
他知道。我的。
这个给你。
So we'll message you later on WeChat, okay? Later we message you.
我等下看一下，我要不忙的话，我等下就去把面料找一下。
好的。
But is she clear? Everything clear? Everything clear? Okay. But when we make the decision, we need her to start making them shit.
Yeah.
You know?
那个的话，你要怎
I
么？
saw your video. I saw you riding your skateboard on your video.
我们后面那个有颜色的那个呢？
Shorty be riding a
不
skateboard.
做反光，我那个不要反光。
要有颜色。我还有这个呢，你看，我还没拼呢。
You got the Lego joints. Look. Okay.
我还没拼完呢。
So
Clear, we gonna come back, we gonna come back。衣裳那些发给你看一下，如果
但是你这个已经是一个，
好的，
懂不懂？我总觉得你好像不是很懂。
我懂，我知道你想说什么。
就是你要这个版型，你就不能再单独给我发衣裳了。
哦，那就不发了。
对，但是你只要告诉我这个是什么码数就可以了，就是
You leaving this here?
中码，就是你可以说它是小码都没有关系，我就按正常的。
要按照那个码的再去推下去。我知道你的意思啊，我知道你的意思，
Y'all
我知道
go
你的
for
意
it.
思。或者我们就以 M 做最小的也可以。哎，到时候说吧，我微信给你确定吧。嗯。
Staying here, whipping up. She gonna get our shirts right. She gonna get us right.
Tell bro, say hi to the IE, bro.
But they working, man.
Yeah,
I don't wanna
I-
bother them, man. Are you hungry, bro?
We can go Tianhe and we'll decide what we're doing, bro.
Go eat.
We got a car, we can go anywhere, bro. Easily, bro. We go to Dongguan,
Go to
Shenzhen.
Brookhaven.
Bro, have you been to Hooter?
What's this for?
给美国一个
Shoplifter.
Oh, he's gonna ship to American for this.
Oh, you shipping these to America?
这个我有
Oh shit, American, bro. American company.
She got American. She got, yo, Shorty is on it.
Shorty's on it.
知不知道这个品牌？
Whoa, you
做的，
bro, you wanna see the Instagram page?
这些都是我们做的，这个也是我们做的，
They helping this
这
guy
些
to
都是
make.
我做的，
She
Damn.
making these right here for this company right here. There.
这些都是我们做的。
Yo, that's lit, bro.
She making all this shit fire.
That's lit, right?
Bro, they got, what's this nigga name? Jack Harlow wearing it.
啊，
This company is straight, bro.
这些都是我们做的。
Hey, what about basketball? She makes basketball jerseys too.
Hell yeah. She
Right.
can make this and you heard reach out, talk to others.
加我微信。啊，可以。
Oh shit, bro. He's helping American. She's helping American, bro.
Bro, what am I? American.
You're not, bro.
Oh, what am I?
You're fucking full shine guy, bro.
He over here making all this noise. They not distracted at all. They not distracted.
Let's go, bro. You know, yeah, we can do some video there, bro. You want our picture, bro?
Good. For the Shake Shack area. Awesome.
Chill out,
You see me like
bro. You chill out, bro.
you see me
You chill out, bro.
like I'm like, you boy with me, man.
Bro, me using the back and we do some